When can an LLC corporate veil be pierced? Have you ever wondered when a court might decide to hold the members of a limited liability company personally responsible for the company's debts? This is a serious issue that can arise if the legal protections of the limited liability company are not properly maintained. Let's break down the circumstances under which the corporate veil of an LLC can be pierced. First, one key reason is the unity of interest and ownership. If members of the LLC treat the business and personal assets as one, the court may see the LLC as just an extension of the members. For example, if you use the same bank account for both personal and business expenses, that can blur the lines. It's essential to keep your business and personal finances separate to avoid this pitfall. Next, let's talk about fraud or injustice. If a court finds that the LLC was created to commit fraud or evade obligations, it is more likely to pierce the veil. For instance, if the LLC was set up to avoid paying debts or to hide wrongful actions, the court may disregard the LLC's separate status. Another important factor is undercapitalization. If the LLC was not adequately funded at the start, it may not be able to meet its liabilities. Courts may view this as an intention to avoid personal liability. Make sure to provide enough capital to cover foreseeable expenses when forming your LLC. Additionally, failing to follow formalities can lead to veil piercing. While limited liability companies have fewer formal requirements than corporations, it is still important to maintain proper records and separate business activities from personal ones. Ignoring these practices can open the door for personal liability. To avoid these common legal mistakes, LLC members should take proactive steps. Always keep separate bank accounts for your LLC and personal finances. Document all major business decisions and ensure you hold meetings if necessary. Fund your LLC adequately from the beginning and as it grows. Lastly, operate your LLC transparently and lawfully, steering clear of any fraudulent activities. Remember, piercing the corporate veil is a legal action that courts use sparingly. By respecting the LLC's separate legal status and following sound business practices, you can protect your personal assets and avoid these legal traps.